Welcome back. So here in Arizona with the Maricopa County District Attorney's Office, Attorney General Allister Adel still dropping the ball. 180 cases that didn't meet the deadline and statute of limitations were dropped because they did not do their job, and she is responsible.
That did the legwork. When they're short-staffed, they filed the cases, they dotted the I's, they crossed the T's. What does this do to the relationship between law enforcement and this office?
It hurts it tremendously. And in fact, I got a call yesterday from a detective that I've known for a number of years. He was just outraged about the article because it came out early online yesterday. And
what up, YouTube? It's going down. What's up? Yeah. So Maricopa County prosecutors forced to drop 180 idle cases because they went past the statute of limitations, didn't even file the paperwork after a year. Most of these cases including domestic violence, DUI, criminal damage charges, stuff like that. And the victims in this case are not going to get their justice.
This deadline means nearly 200 criminal charges have been dropped in Maricopa County.
Steve Nielsen bringing his reaction on what happened in the county attorney's office and why the sheriff says this cannot happen again. Steve.
Yeah, a lot of people are saying that, John. In fact, I talked to a couple of local attorneys today, too. They also say this is a major issue. In many of these cases, there are victims who will now not get the justice they want. New reaction from Valley defense attorneys toward Maricopa County's chief prosecutor.
In the state of everything right now and what's been going on and what we've seen the last year with that office, it doesn't surprise me.
These cases languished for a year, and now they're all gone. And that's a serious situation.
The Maricopa County Attorney's Office confirms they had to drop 180 misdemeanor cases, including drunk driving and domestic assault cases, because prosecutors failed to review the cases before the charging deadline passed. County Attorney Allister Adel has faced many questions since winning her last election. She was away from the office in September last year after undergoing treatment in a rehabilitation facility. Last month, several of her top prosecutors signed a letter asking her to resign. Tom Mooring represents April Sponsel, a county attorney who is suing Adel, claiming Sponsel was made the scapegoat for filing gang charges against protesters in 2020.
Here you have 180 people who've been arrested, investigated, and yet nothing's going to come of it, ever. Not for them, not for people who were victims of these crimes. It's tragic.
Criminal defense attorney Jack Litwack says they need to look at what went wrong.
I think things need to be reviewed systemically to see what the actual problem is with the office as a whole or whether it be one person.
An MCSO Sheriff Paul Penzone says he had a meeting with the DPS Colonel and Adel, and he released a lengthy statement saying the Colonel and I recognize the difficulties in managing complex organizations and corresponding challenges, but we found nothing to mitigate or exonerate the breadth of this deficiency. He said now his highest priority is on the victims, who he says will no longer receive justice now because of this, and he wants to be assured that this will never happen again.
The County Attorney General's office is now being investigated by the Bar Association, and yeah, she's choosing not to step down from her position, which she knows she should resign. Everyone's telling her she should resign and take responsibility for the actions of her office, which she is in charge of. And, you know, as the head of any team, you have to take responsibility for your team, regardless of who's there, folks. Now's the time to pounce and get her out of office. Too much stuff going on right now. We need someone reliable in the Attorney General's office, somebody who actually gives a damn about their job. I mean, if she doesn't want to do the job, there's plenty of people standing in line ready to step up to the plate and do their duty and take the oath. So, yeah. And now she's pissed off all the local police departments, sheriff's office. Like I said, the Bar Association is now investigating the district attorney's office. And so hopefully if we all continue to speak out and mount that pressure, hopefully some action will be taken or she'll resign and step down. Please stay tuned. right here, United USA 2020 and beyond. As updates become available, I will keep you informed. Thanks very much. Check y'all later. If you appreciate videos like this, please like and share this video.